Hello and welcome back to KNF Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie. Please head down below to give me a like and subscribe to my channel so we can keep crafting together. It really does help so I can keep bringing more craft projects to you. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun fall shirt. This is about a 50% poly shirt, 50% cotton, so as long as it at least has 50% polyester in it, you should be good to go. And then I also used Infusible ink markers and a paintbrush. So if you're curious on how these two items made this cute shirt, let's get crafting. All you have to do is click on it, and under Operations, click Pen. You can change it to whatever color you would like. I stuck with the black and did it as an outline, and then I'll show you how to fill in with the colors on the leaves and things like that. I made mine about 8 inches wide by 7.4 inches high, and then I will be printing this on laser printer paper. You need to use laser paper printer, not regular inkjet printers. And if, like, my design does not have any words on it, but if you decide to write something along with this, don't forget to mirror it. So once you have done either hand drawn your design on the laser printer paper or had your Cricut draw it with Infusible ink markers, just take one of your Infusible ink markers and scratch on some type of plastic surface. That way they don't dry instantly. And then with a paintbrush, dip it into just some water. And as you can see, it'll kind of dilute the color a little bit. And then you can just paint like you normally would. If you're really good with watercolors, it's just like that, and you can get some cool shading effects and things like that. And you just keep scribbling on your piece of plastic and painting in your design. You don't have to complete your entire design in one go. If you want to stop, you can. And let's say you still have some ink on your plastic, just add, and it dries, just add some water to it, and you can come back and keep painting with it. Just remember that this is water, so it might get your paper a little wrinkly as the water gets absorbed more into your paper.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
a t-shirt here, I have a sheet of Teflon underneath the shirt, butcher paper. We'll put another piece of butcher paper over. And just as an extra precaution, I like to do Teflon as well. This is set to 400 degrees for 40 seconds. Be careful not to shift things because it's still cooling and it could do a ghosting effect. I did use my little ruler here to get my measurements on placement of my shirt, as well as put it in place with some heat resistant tape. And I will set this aside and just let it cool. I really love how this shirt turned out and that you can't even feel the design. It's just, it blends right into the shirt. So if you've tried Infusible ink and had trouble with getting that reading because it's completely different, highly recommend you try the markers. You can get almost any design you want and it's super easy and fun. So I hope you give it a shot and I look forward to hearing how yours turn out. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.